And the death in Malaysia's worst flood in years has risen to 27. Floodwaters have swarmed cities, cut off roads and displaced an estimated 70,000 people in the country. The evacuees are staying at temporary shelters. A total of 210 places in 6 states have been affected by the floods. Selangor, Malaysia's most densely populated and wealthy state, was one of the worst hit areas. The Weather Bureau is warning of continued thunderstorms and heavy rains in the southern and eastern parts of the country.
Allah, banjir. Inilah kotor juga Jangan. Kotor tu.
Habis tu kita nak minum air apa?
Sebab itulah sekarang ni projek kita tengah menghasilkan satu research kita, iaitu produk yang boleh digunakan untuk kecemasan dan juga keadaan banjir seperti ini. Sebagai contoh, kami tengah menghasilkan portable water pump filtration.
Flood or emergencies, access to clean water become a critical challenge. Mostly, traditional water pumps are bulky, expensive, and lack built-in filtration. They struggle to handle impurities, making them ineffective in flood scenarios. Our project aims to solve this by designing a portable, lightweight pump with integrated filtration. This system will not only provide clean water during emergencies, but also promote sustainability by reusing water. Objective is simple. It is to design a lightweight, foldable, portable pump that filters water right at the source. This means creating a device that people can easily carry and use without requiring heavy machinery or complex setup. It should be portable yet powerful enough to handle floodwaters filled with contaminants. We identified 3 critical needs as the foundation of our design: a pump capable of efficiently handling floodwater, an integrated filtration system to remove contaminants, and a structure that balances affordability with ease of use. Floodwater is often filled with debris, silt, and other pollutants, so the pump had to be robust enough to manage such challenges without corroding or losing functionality. This required a careful selection of materials and components to ensure durability even in a harsh condition. Creating the best design required exploring different ideas such as solar power options, multi-stage filtration, and also rechargeable batteries. We carefully evaluated each concept to ensure that it met real-world needs. Through systematic analysis, we carefully evaluated various design concepts to find the optimal balance between functionality, efficiency, and also user convenience. After extensive brainstorming and evaluation, we selected a design that integrates advanced filtration technology capable of removing bacteria and other contaminants effectively. This ensures that polluted floodwater can be transformed into a clean, reusable water. Our pump adopts a modular design, which is a strategic choice that offers flexibility and efficiency in both assembly and maintenance. The modular approach means each component of the pump, such as filtration unit, motor, and control system, is designed as a separate, self-contained module. This makes it straightforward to assemble and allow users to replace or upgrade individual parts without needing to overhaul the entire system. Such adaptability is crucial in emergency scenarios where quick repair or adjustment can make a significant difference.
So, our portability filtration unit for floodwater is designed with mobility, functionality, and efficiency in mind. As seen in the detailed design, it features a compact frame with wheels for easy transportation, a transparent casing to house the filtration system, and extendable inlet and outlet pipes for flexibility during operation. The handle on top ensures portability while the protective cover safeguards the filtration mechanism. This design prioritizes usability during flood scenarios, allowing for quick and reliable access to clean water. So moving on to prototyping and testing. The prototype was built following this detailed design using lightweight yet durable materials. Preliminary testing demonstrated the unit's ability to effectively filter floodwater, removing impurities and enhancing water clarity. While the results were promising, areas such as filter durability and flow rate optimization were identified for improvement. These insights will guide future refinements, ensuring the product is as effective as reliable as possible for real-world use. Okay, now let's discuss sustainability and environmental considerations in engineering design. Sustainability is at the core of this product. The design incorporates the three key elements of sustainability: environmental, social, and economic. By using recyclable materials, promoting public health, and ensuring affordability, the unit addresses all three pillars. Sustainable development is further supported by providing clean water during floods, reducing resource waste, and improving disaster resilience. Our engineering solution positively impacts sustainable development by mitigating water pollution, disaster, and conserving resources, and reducing the risk of waterborne diseases. This design also adapts to social and ensuring a reliable water filtration system during the quality of life by additionally the choice of reusable materials and long-lasting components minimize environmental impact, making this a product designed not only for people but also for the planet. Lastly, economic costing and business plan plays a crucial role in the product's viability. The portable filtration unit is both innovative and cost-effective, addressing water filtration needs during floods without being prohibitively expensive. The estimated cost per unit is 50 ringgit. With bulk production expected to lower this significantly. Ensuring affordability for disaster relief organizations and communities, our business plan focuses on leveraging this product's unique value. The executive summary highlights its role in providing clean water solutions for flood-affected areas, with a mission to enhance disaster preparedness and a vision of universal access to clean water. Key to success lies in its innovative design, affordability, and strategic partnership with relief agencies. While competitors assist, our product stands out by significantly addressing disaster scenarios. A SWOT analysis shows our strengths, including on innovative and portable design, but also highlights challenges like limited initial production capacity. However, opportunities such as partnership with global disaster relief organizations provide significant growth potential. Our marketing strategy includes collaboration with NGOs, online campaigns, and showcasing at trade exhibitions. With these efforts, we forecast sales of 1,000 ringgit in the first year, increasing as we expand our market